Mr. Market's at the door, knocking loud and screaming prices. One day he's in the sky, next he's falling down the slices. He's manic, he's moody, he's trying to get inside your head. But I don't listen to the rumors or the panic spread. I'm looking for the value, the bedrock in the floor. I'm ignoring all the static, yeah, I'm looking for the core. Fundamental truth, that's the way I make a play. I'm chilling in the market, yeah, I'm doing it my way. Mr. Market is a fool, but I play it cool. Margin of safety is my golden rule. Don't speculate, just calculate the real deal. Intelligent investor with a steady wheel. Yeah, keep it steady, steady, steady. Yeah, keep it sound. Intelligent investor, the best around. Don't get caught up in the chase, don't get caught up in the hype. I'm reading through the balance sheet, checking out the type. Intrinsic value is the game, ownership is the name. I'm playing for the long term, avoiding all the shame. Volatility is coming, let it rain, let it pour. I'm buying up the bargain, man, I'm coming back for more. The discipline is everything, the logic is the key. The market is a servant, yeah, it's working for me. Mr. Market is a fool, but I play it cool. Margin of safety is my golden rule. Don't speculate, just calculate the real deal. Intelligent investor with a steady wheel. Yeah, keep it steady, steady, steady. Yeah, keep it sound. Intelligent investor, the best around. Slow it down. It's not about the luck, it's not about the flash. It's about the logic when you're spending your cash. Compounding the interest day by day. The intelligent way is the only way. Yeah, let's get it. Mr. Market is a fool, but I play it cool. Margin of safety is my golden rule. Don't speculate, just calculate the real deal. Intelligent investor with a steady wheel. Yeah, keep it steady, steady, steady. Yeah, keep it sound. Intelligent investor, the best around. Keep it cool, play it smart. Value in the mind, value in the heart. Mr. Market is a